1 second. Okay. Okay, so we're good to go. Good morning. It is Tuesday, the it is Tuesday, the 8th of April, and the markets will open in about 30 seconds. 8th of April. Just change that. And this is the 87th video this year. Blimey. Anyway, so we're good to go. There's a lot that could be said about yesterday. Incredible day. But let's get into it. So here's the open. Just want to give you the context. So we got a slight gap up. That's a first. And also in the FTSE. And you may have seen that the US markets are being called up. They are close to the spike highs from yesterday. So I'll show you where they closed yesterday. That yellow line there signifies where they closed. And as you can see, the DAX and the FTSE are nowhere near the spike highs yesterday. So the first port of call for me would be the FTSE. Possibility of a first bar negative. On the 15-minute chart, the DAX just got bought up. A spike of 170 points. Got bought up at the low end of the range from yesterday over here. That was those who bought there would be happy now. Wow. They're already nearly 200 points in profit. So we got a gap up situation. We have roughly a range overnight like this. We went below the range. This is the DAX on a 15-minute chart. So we had a spike down. I wonder if buyers are going to come in here below prior bar low here at 84. I would certainly myself. We have a first bar negative in the FTSE. That's a long way down. Currently trading at 97 and that spike low is 59, so I'm not so sure that I believe that that's going to become an opportunity. The FTSE on a 5-minute chart presents a unique perspective of it. You have, if I get rid of this signal box here, you have support over here, and then you have support here and here. So this area here, to me, will represent there will be buyers here. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm stating the obvious. There will be buyers here supporting this low here. I wanted to push it up to 25. And there's sellers will be pushing it down towards 58. DAX did not hold here yet. This is the FTSE that we're looking at. So we're 10 minutes in. The ranges are big already. This last 1 minute candle had a range of 52 DAX points. There are trading sessions I've seen where the range for the whole day was 52 points. Something just happened. In the FTSE. Don't know what. I'm just going to check news. Nothing. Maybe a fat finger mistake. It's coming down again. Notice where sellers came in above prior bar high. So was that a retest? Coming up to aggressive school run. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we should see the signals coming in there. So what's possible here is that we had a spike low and then a retest of this area just here, and buyers are coming in. So now the question is, can it clear the hurdle of the previous bar, which is just testing now? So far it seems so. So stand by for long position in the DAX. The ideal entry was 955, it's already 974. I'm trading a slightly smaller size. I'm taking a chance here at 68. Basically an aggressive school run long. But I've reduced my stake size. So that's an aggressive school run long that's set up here with a little bit of traditional technical analysis explanation. Probably not a good idea to get carried away with adding just yet. It feels like a very nervous market. So far 50 points in profit, 60, 70, 80. Imagine that the target is going to be up here. Stand by to take profit. In fact, I'm going to close half my position here. Closed half position for plus 100. $110. I'll leave that running. Okay. Stop loss to break even for sure. So it needed that retest, and now we are 170 points higher. I'm going to take my profit, and I'm calling it a morning to see how much did that make. It made about 450. So that was a good trade. I'm going to use this opportunity just to catch up with some other work I worked around the clock, trading day and night. So for me, this is an opportune time just to be able to deliver some good trades to you. Thoroughly explained, I hope. And then I know I've only streamed for 30 minutes, but I'm happy with what we achieved in those 30 minutes. I feel like I can leave you in good hands to trade the markets yourself. I took profit at about here, and then so to me these two highs here are important, but basically because there's always a chance of a reversal above prior bar high. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed that display of common sense technical analysis, and a rare let's take the aggressive school run. And now the market is coming back down again. School run is coming up in a few minutes. As you can see, it's now inside the range after testing and micro double bottoming. I'm happy with what I got out of this. But yeah, I think that was a good decision just to take profit, at least for now. Well, there we go. This is going to be one of the shorter ones, but hey, you saw it here live. And oh, by the way, you can also see here that my sterling dollar isn't actually doing so well anymore. I have taken some profit, but it's certainly not doing much for me now. And DAX coming back into the range. So good luck. And I will see you again for the, what would that be, the 88th live video of the year. I haven't checked my emails for about 5 days because I've traded or recovered. So hey, love you lots. You take care of yourself. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye.